This is the Lenz O gauge Deutsche Bundesbahn Br144 electric. They were designed in the 1930s and they used 4 axle mounted motors, so they could dispense with coupling rods between the wheels, and obviously reduced maintenance and wear meant that these locos were incredibly reliable, lasting until the 1980s, and this one I think is in a 1970s livery. So we've got the usual Lenz drive now, so they've gone on to the magnetic sensors, dispenses with back EMF, which makes the motors incredibly quiet. And smooth. The model itself has the other features that Lenz quite like to do, so you've got the automatic coupling, cab lights here, and also it has the driver that changes direction to face the front of the loco. Pop the sound on, so let's put a pantograph up and then the sound on. Do not pull the pantographs up manually. Once they're extended, then they transfer onto the springs, so they've got the ability to track lines. And the pantographs switch with direction of travel if you select function 8 or 9. And they can be raised as well with 11 and 12, so you can select which pantograph you want to run. In general, the locos would only run with 1 pantograph up. It reduces wear. If it needed a heavy load, then both pantographs would be used. So there are 28 functions. Let's get it moving. There's, oops. Curved squeal there. Lots of different whistles.
Einsteigen, Türen schließen, Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt. Abfahrt.
So there's plenty of functions to go with. Shut down there. quite a long shutting down sequence there, as all the compressors spin down. We'll have a quick look at some of the other features. It's got the power pack that will keep it going on dirty track, and you can see that it actually searches for power. It will drive down the track a little bit. Got one of the huge tanker wagons that actually shows that the loco's not the biggest loco there. So we've got the coupling. And the automatic uncoupling system. With the loco on a bit longer track, we'll just get it up to its sensible speed. There's quite a lot going on with these old electrics.